The following video is rated PG.
Oh boy, what another nice day today. Okay, here we go. Hey Jock, what's up? What is this? Oh, well, I just got Amazon Alexa from yesterday. Really? What did it do? Well, it does anything, basically. So if you wanna chat with Alexa, you just talk to her right here. That's the only one you got? High price. Okay. Alexa, show me a business report. Whoa! Hey, Alexa, stop! Alexa, stop! What was that? Did you do this? I didn't do anything. It just did it by itself. Alexa, why are you being weird?
What does it matter, Red? Do you go out on a hot weather? Do you poop?
Okay, this is really dumb. Alexa, call Matilda.
Who is Matilda?
Just call her, please. What, she's not gonna call her? Alexa, call Matilda. She's just gonna stand there? What have you done to Alexa, basically? Nothing, okay? If you've done anything to her, then I'm gonna throw her out and unblock her, if that's what you want, huh?
One eternity later.
You know what? You know what, fine. I'm gonna go shopping, so I'm gonna see what kind of things I need to buy. Alexa, what is in my shopping list?
You have 7 items on your shopping list.
Okay. Wait, what?
UFO Jeff HI Beth HR.
What the?
TV2. RTL Kalu.
What is this?
Sargo Arjun. Peasant.
Hey!
Would you like to hear your last 2 items?
Yeah? Yeah, what?
Sishi. Yo Mama.
I cannot believe this. Alexa is being weird on me. Yeah, and? Hang on, let me ask her this. Alexa, you need to see a psychiatrist.
A scientist is a person who...
Whoa, wait. Alexa, you need to see a psychiatrist.
A scientist is a...
I said, Alexa, I just said, you need to see a psychiatrist.
Here's information about a few options.
What? Alexa, you need to see a psychiatrist.
Don't tell me what to do, you bird.
Whoa! What the hell? Okay, this is getting weird. Yeah, it is. Alexa? Set a timer.
For how long?
5 seconds.
5 seconds, starting now.
Oh, that was quick. Should we recall this? I don't know. What about you? Alexa? Leave me alone, you cow!
Today is Thursday, June 6th.
What is wrong with her? I don't know. She's
Norman,
just...
tomorrow there are 3 events.
Oh, what? Are you showing me this?
Cast, Minecraft Elimination Zone.
Oh my god.
Which lasts all day. At 7
Alexa.
p.m. there's
Resume. No. Stop. Thank you. Alexa, are you okay? I said, Alexa, are you okay? Yup, she's not okay. Alexa, are you dying? I think she's dying. Alexa, how long does Alexa have to live? Yup, it's official. Alexa is dead.
He used to give me roses. I wish he could again.
What's with the funeral music? I am not dead. I am just pretending to be one. Luli. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to G4p TV for more videos.